Can't let it come to brother Zay, we coming for you too. Every time I bounce, now I fully can't get enough of it. Caught him loafing through a hooker slut because he let a bitch. Brody shaking ass up on that camera on some other shit. I can't funk with broke ass bitches, he a dud to this. You should know I'm true to this shit, nah I ain't new to it. Thinking that he Debo come and see what we do to bullies. Mechanic take the way I'm breaking down cars with the toolie. Little bitch, I need 100 bands, I can't be your boogie. Got him popping the brace. No baby do is finna get him if I miss with the K. But I've been waiting for too long, I ain't missing a day. Shit, I ain't even want the seal, I'ma cop the whole crate. Since speak on snaps, gun him down and we gon' put him up. I'ma have his whole family praying how we lift him up. I'm just finna get another bag cause I can't get enough. I'm just finna get another